When diaphragm descends, it carries its nerve supply, the original nerve supply, that is via phrenic nerve. Since the peripheral part of diaphragm developed from the lateral body wall, it will receive, if I am talking about the peripheral part, it is receiving innervation via intercostal nerves. So, done with this. Now, a very important point, so if I talk about diaphragm, the important question being asked, one is the component, embryological component, and which adult derivatives are formed, that will be asked. Other is the nerve supply, and the clinical anatomy is very important. So, congenital diaphragmatic hernia, you have to know the two important types of hernias are associated with the diaphragm. So, you have to know the reason and where it is located and the consequences. So, it is a herniation. If I talk about congenital diaphragmatic herniation, it's a herniation. It's a case of herniation of abdominal content, which will be pushing inside into the pleural cavity through a gap, and this gap is more commonly found in the posterolateral part of the diaphragm. So, where it is found, it is most commonly asked in the examination, that which is the most common location of the congenital diaphragmatic hernia. So, it is protruding inside the abdominal content will protrude inside the thoracic cavity via posterolateral gap, that is most commonly in the left side. This defect is called as foramen of Bogdalic. Foramen of Bogdalic. It occurs due to defective development of pleuroperitoneal membrane, and failure of fusion of the pleuroperitoneal membrane with the other elements leads to this congenital defect.